Wanna know how to farm Zeni from EZAs only? So if you're broke in Dokkan and need some more resources, and if you want to farm something like Zeni, this video is for you. So we have created a video on how to farm Zenis in a general way, but in this video I'm going to show you using EZA only. So after level 30, so make sure you are there. In any EZA, Zeni rewards skyrocket. You heard that right. Your resources simply skyrocket. So each clear gives massive Zeni points to you. So make sure you use strong AoE units for fast clears. Auto farm these stages daily. And once that is done, you'll stack billions of Zeni easily. No selling units, just simply pure efficiency farming. And that's it. This is how you easily farm Zeni only by using EZAs only. Just make sure you are level 30 and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in for more of these videos. See you in the next one.